happening now? I'm hoping y'all have been watching the channel for a while, man. I'm hoping that I can get y'all to subscribe. I need y'all to hit more of the notification bells. I want y'all to become a part of the notification squad. That being said, I got another surprise in the shop. As y'all been seeing, I've been dropping haircut tutorials, motocross. That's what this channel is all about. Business, making money, and having fun while we doing it. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit y'all with one of my favorite cars, Mrs. Tropicana. I'm gonna hit y'all with a cold start. We still got Slimer getting built. It's kind of on hold right now. We're gonna get back to it here in a few more weeks because it takes time, it takes money. So I'm focused on the getting money part. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show y'all what the surprise is, but after I bag out Mrs. Tropicana. So y'all stay tuned.
We got this.
I'm a 96 nigga, fuck you.
So I got the Fender right here. Y'all see how much that costs? Brand new Fender. Gonna go ahead and get it ready. Unbox this joint and go ahead and prep it. And what I'm using to prep is a 1000, well not 1000, but a gray Scotch Brite, some scuff stuff, and I'm just gonna sand it really lightly just to get some scratches in it. That's the passenger fender. This is a 2013 Mercedes-Benz C350. And it's just mostly wrecked up in here. So what I'm about to do is, it's 2 screws in here. It's a screw right here in the door. I believe it's another one somewhere in here, and it's gonna pop off the fender once I take these 3 off as well. Fender is gonna come off, but I had an issue trying to get the rim off, so I had to go talk back to the owner and get the rim lock. And what else I'm gonna need is a jack, floor jack, jack stand, regular size jack stand, and my 4-way. I could use the pneumatic, but I kind of like to feel it. And with the pneumatic, I risk the chance of busting the heads off the screws or stripping. So on this car, parts are very expensive, and I know if I risk doing too much, I'm gonna actually wind up causing myself money that I can't afford to lose right now. This Fender, I found it used for a really good price, but the really good used ones, they were selling out really quick. And the last one I seen was really damaged. I can't afford to keep on waiting because the customer needs the car back, and I need to go ahead and clear this insurance check. So I'm finna go ahead and put y'all on the stand. I'm gonna do the prepping. I'm gonna turn this car, the tire, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the wheel off, take this fender off so I can get it off my showroom floor, so when I start painting, no overspray won't go on it. Yes, sir. Yeah.
We got this.
I'm a 96 nigga, fuck you me. Gotta stay lifted, always rolling in some green. Cuts in my fist, bitch, I feel like Wolverine. If it's not about money, you don't got shit to do with me. I'm a 96 nigga, fuck you me. Gotta stay lifted, always rolling on some green. Cuts on my fist, bitch, I feel like Wolverine. If it's not about money, don't got shit to do with me. If it's not about money, I can't hear shit. Ghost mode, I cannot appear, bitch. Check my horoscope, bitch, I'm on some twin shit. Some be making faster than I spend it. Check my ways, bitch. E-R-L-E, hug the pavement. I came from the bottom like a basement. Don't you hit my phone without a payment. Niggas always gossip, giving statements. Steady pillow talking. I let my money do the speaking. I'm too busy walking. If a nigga think he creepin', bet that 40 poppin'. Came in flyer than a deacon, put him in the coffin. They don't practice what they...
2 10s right there. There was some 10s in here, and it was one 8mm all the way up under here to make the splash guard drop. As y'all can see that clip right there, that's the 8mm. Then you have 3 plastic screws, as you can see down this trim piece, and the 3 at the top, the 1 in the door, and voila, that's it right there. Might just need to take that one loose in the door just a little bit more. Just loosen it a tad bit more. Let me see. Let's see. I'll try loosening it up just a little bit more in the door. Open up the door. Semi-crack it. So I can see that 1 bolt back there. There it is right there. Gonna loosen it up a little bit more. They say on the original video I seen, it said don't loosen it too much. So I'm trying not to loosen it too much. Let me see. What's going on now? Oh, there it is. That's it right there. Let's lift that up.
We got this.
I'm a 9-6 nigga, fuck you me. Gotta stay lifted, always rolling on some green. Cuts in my fist, bitch, I feel like Wolverine. If it's not about money, you don't got shit to do with me. I'm a 9-6 nigga, fuck you me. Gotta stay lifted, always rolling on some green. Cuts in my fist, bitch, I feel like Wolverine. If it's not about money, don't got shit to do with me. If it's not about money, I can't hear shit. Ghost mode, I cannot appear, bitch. Check my horoscope, bitch, I'm on some twin shit. Some be making faster than I spend it. Check my wins, bitch. B-R-L-E, hold the pavement. I came from the bottom like a basement. Don't you hit my phone without a payment. Niggas always
got this.
I'm a 9-6 nigga, fuck you me. Gotta stay lifted, always rolling on some green. Cuts in my fist, bitch, I feel like Wolverine. If it's not about money, you don't got shit to do with me. I'm a 9-6 nigga, fuck you me. Gotta stay lifted, always rolling on some green. Cuts in my fist, bitch, I feel like Wolverine. If it's not about money, don't got shit to do with me. If it's not about money, I can't hear shit. Ghost mode, I cannot appear, bitch. Check my horoscope, bitch, I'm on some twin shit.
So I took the fender out the paint booth. I'm just wet sanding it down. It has some trash sitting on top of it, and I'm just trying to sand it flat. So you're gonna see me sand it. I'm using a 1000 grit. Y'all see that 3M? Don't spare no expense. I'm gonna come back with the 1500. Then I'm gonna put a soft pad 3000. Trizac over all this, and then I'm gonna hit it with I'm gonna put it on the actual car, on the Mercedes. I'm gonna put it on there, and then I'm gonna buff it while it's on the car, so it'll be flat, and I won't have to worry about the buffer skipping or jumping off. And my main thing is just keeping this flat and keeping it moving, and like just trying to work all these. It's not gonna be perfect, but that's what I'm trying to do, just get it all flat. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna put it on the tripod and get to working.
We got this.
I'm a 9-6 nigga, fuck you me. Gotta stay lifted, always rolling on some green. Cuts in my fist, bitch, I feel like Wolverine.
We got this.
I'm a 9-6 nigga, fuck you me. Gotta stay lifted, always rolling.
Got the Fender installed. Everything bolted up nice and tight. All my push pins is back in. All my clips, all my 10 millimeter bolts are back in. If you want to know how to take it all off and put it all back on, pretty much watch the first part of the video and just do the opposite of that. Put the screws in the bottom down here, the 3 screws down here. Got this push clip. I'm just going to push that in just a little bit more. Probably tap it with a hammer. I'm going to go back and I'm going to make sure everything's still tight one more time. I am about to go ahead and buff this and get it nice and clean. And so everything that's around it match. Any scratch that was on the adjacent panels was sanded, so it'll all be flat. And I did a couple little touch-ups on it, and I'm finna go ahead and make it all nice and gloss. So y'all stay tuned.
Keep creeping, bet that 40 popper. Came in flyer than a deacon, put them in the coffin. They don't practice what they preach, cause they just fucking talking. They just talking. Flower from the west coast, keep me coughing. All about that green shit, just like Boston. Zombie, keep it on the street, catch me flossing. I'm a 9-6 nigga, fuck you me. Gotta stay lifted, always rolling on some green. Cuts in my fist, bitch, I feel like Wolverine. If it's not about money, you don't got shit to do with me.
We got this.
I'm a 9-6 nigga, fuck you me. Gotta stay lifted, always rolling on some green. Cuts in my fist, bitch, I feel like Wolverine. If it's not about money, you don't got shit to do with me. I'm a 9-6 nigga, fuck you me. Gotta stay lifted, always rolling on some green.
Just gave it a little rinse down. Got all my buffing done. All the touch-ups is done. And it's ready to go. Like I said, it was just a quick little rinse down, just to get it somewhat clean, knock the dust off of it. I don't consider myself a professional detailer at all, but I know how to wash a car somewhat. Now this black is something else though, that triple black is something else. Yeah, I think Cash Mama gonna be pretty happy with this one.